Welcome. If you want to adjust Control Center shortcuts in your iPhone 13 Pro Max, at first you have to simply open the settings. Next, when you are here, we have to go for the Control Center. And right now, if you want to remove one of the currently shortcut, for example, we can remove camera and timer. Tap on the icons right here, and then click to remove. Then do the same with the timer. And if you want to add additional shortcuts, we can make it, for example, with magnifier, music recognition, notes, screen recording, and sound recognition. Take a look right now. We can find here our new shortcuts. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.